Hi everyone, I'm Rimo Chaudhary. Welcome to our web development tutorial part. Now we can tutor how can make a menu on HTML and CSS. So you need two file. One need index.html and need a CSS file. I take here two files and up index.html open in my notepad++ and type here. I also use here gen coding programming plugins HTML. Okay, it's very fast to typing program. And this style.css file I want to link here on head text, so type here link.css and go to body text, and now take a class like main menu and take a unordered list. How many? Into 4 list item and anchor. Okay, here type home about service and contact. Okay, we finished our HTML language coding and open it on Firefox. Okay, this is unordered list and list item, and we also open this style.css file on notepad++ and move to other view and take this class and type a dot control v, paste this and second bracket. Okay, and save this and save this, and you duplicate main menu class and type here ul, again duplicate this and type here li and duplicate this and type here a, again duplicate this, type here hover. Okay, now save this and go to Firefox and right click on the body and click inspect element with Firefox. Okay, now click the div class main menu. Something is wrong here, I can't get this. We reload this and okay, now get main menu class and I apply here some style. So type here background like black type and define a height of 40 pixel. Okay, and go to UL, type here list style none, and go to LI, type here float left, and go to the anchor and type here padding 10 pixel and 30 pixel, and apply a display block text transform uppercase text decoration none, color red, green, like green, background white, this is never perfect, so I edit the background and take here my hexane code. Okay, and copy this style decoration and paste here. Again go copy this and paste here. Again go copy this style decoration, paste here, and again go copy this style decoration, paste here, and save this. Okay, reload this and go to this style.css space and type here background, take here background grid and color tag gray, and save. Okay, now reload this and move his mouse on here. Okay, here our text color don't show because the text and background is same color, so I add same also red and save this. Okay, go here, reload this and see this is red, hover color is red. Okay, we now watch how can make a menu, type HTML and CSS. Okay, thank you.